Morning, student of class 5th. Today we will study English literatures chapter number 4, The Return of the Lion. So today we will start. So get set, one activity given to you, that name these great personalities. Check left side on the page number 48. There are three pictures given to you. You have to name it. Okay, name given, first one, second one, and third one, column given to you. Okay, you have to write your names. Just check. I think very easy to understand who they are. Okay, do by yourself. Now come, read and enjoy. We have to start today. That Shivaji was one of the greatest son of India. His brave deeds and love for his country are examples to one and all. Jijabai, his mother, was a woman full of virtues, and she was instrumental in shaping up Shivaji's personality. Now we are going to read an interesting episode from the life of Shivaji, which involves Jijabai and Shivaji. So this story, The Return of the Lion, whole story. It means it is the story of Shivaji and Shivaji's mother, his mother named Jijabai. So everyone we understand that Shivaji was the greatest sons of India, one of them. Okay, and he has done a lot of brave deed work. Deed means work. A lot of has done outstanding work for the love of country and for love of the person, people, everyone. And who has motivated his mother named Jijabai, who has a woman full of virtues. Virtues means qualities, full of. It means always Jijabai, she was guiding. And she was instrumental in shaping up Shivaji's personality. And who has saved? Mother Jijabai has saved personality of Shivaji. And now in this chapter we are going to study an interesting story, interesting episode of from the life of whose? From the life of Shivaji and mother Jijabai. So let us start. Today we have to study. Now cast given to you. First, Shivaji, the ruler of nearly all of the present states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Jijabai, Shivaji's mother, Mantri, minister, an officer of the high rank in Shivaji's court, one who keeps record, Sachiv, secretary. Now, there are some persons given to you. Means first Shivaji, everyone we understand who is Shivaji, ruler of Maharashtra and Gujarat, present state. And Jijabai, you and everyone we understand, mother of Shivaji. Mantri, you understand, ministers are there who has a lot of records related to the state or country, etc. Sachiv, understand, secretary. On the next page number, who is Ramdas, Soyabai and Pandit Rao. So who is Ramdas given to you? Ramdas, Shivaji's teacher and companion and a poet. So Ramdas, who is Shivaji's teacher, companion also. Companion means like friend also, and a poet. And who is Soyabai? Soyabai means Shivaji's wife and Sambhaji's mother. Shivaji's wife and Sambhaji's mother. Who is Soyabai? Sambhaji means son of Shivaji. And Pandit Rao. Who is Pandit Rao? His duty was to fix dates for religious ceremony to distribute charity. Pandit Rao, he was a priest and whose duty is to fix any date. For which thing? For religious ceremony, religious program, any function, any etc. So these are the characters of this chapter, The Return of the Lion. Now let us start scene. What is the scene is? Here check. Scene. A room in the front of Rajgarh near Pune. Jijabai, Shivaji's mother, is sitting on a small throne surrounded by the officer of the court. Among them are the Mantri, the Sachiv, Pandit Rao, and poet Ramdas, who has an open letter in his hand. In a corner, Shoyabai, Shivaji's wife, and Sambhaji's mother is sitting quietly, and by her side is Sambhaji's foster mother, and who is an aged woman. The two of them are talking softly. So now scene, what is the scene now? First scene is related to a room in the fort of Rajgarh. Rajgarh where they are living, that was nearby Pune. So a room scene is, and actually they are discussing, they are talking together, and mother means Shivaji's mother, Jijabai was there, and she was sitting on the small throne. Check here, a small throne is given in the figure page number 49. Look, this one. Okay, check. She is, and now and surrounded here, check, some mantri, some priest, etc. are there. Who they are? Mantri, Sachiv, Pandit Rao, and poet Ramdas, and they have a letter here. Check, Pandit Rao. Rao was just reading a letter, and Soyabai, Shivaji's wife, Sambha Mother, more persons are there. Check two, and by her side, the two of them are talking. So, what they are talking now? Let us start. Scene first. Jijabai. I cannot believe that my son is dead. The letter is a hoax. Ramdas. But the letter is from Agra. Jijabai. And this is why I call this letter a hoax. Tell me, when did Aurangzeb tell the truth? Did he not make a false promise to my son? Ramdas. It was Jai Singh who had made those promises to our Raja. Actually, scene understand. Scene first, what is Jijabai and Ramdas talking together. That Jijabai said, mother of Shivaji, she said, I cannot believe. Actually, there is a letter, and in the letter it is written that Shivaji is dead now. So after this, mother was Jijabai was really shocked, and she said, no, I cannot believe that my son Shivaji is no more dead, and the letter is a hoax. So it means the letter is a hoax, means like it's a really false. It means someone is trying to deceive us. Ramdas said, but the letter is from Agra. From where letter has came? It's from Agra. And now Jijabai said something, and this is why I call this letter a hoax. Tell me, when did Aurangzeb tell the truth? Now Jijabai said, okay, this is the reason I am telling. I am saying that this letter is really false letter. Why? Because it has come from Agra. And tell me that when did Aurangzeb tell about the truth? When? What will be the time? And did he not make a false promise to my son? And already he has promised me, so it is a false promise. Ramdas said, no. Actually, it was Jai Singh who had made those promises to our Raja, and Ramdas just confirmed it. No, not Aurangzeb. It was Jai Singh who has promised to our king. What thing? Those promises. What are the promises are there? On next page is given to you. Okay. So up to page number 49 I have explained, and rest 50, 51. Okay. Tomorrow we will study. Okay. Thanks everyone.